Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to convert video to audio on Android phones. So now how do we do that? You have to use a third-party app. So I downloaded one of those apps, which is MP3 converter over here. So I open up the app. Note ads will keep popping up, so get ready for them. Now I've skipped the ads and now you can see an app at the top anyway. So I have different options here. I can do format converting, audio merging, audio cutting, or video to audio. I click on video to audio. Now you choose the file you want to have converted, this audio you want to extract. Let's say I want to extract this particular one. Then you click on, you see another ad has popped up again. So you click on the format you want it to be. I want it to be MP3. You click on the bit rate. Let's say I want 32K. Then you click on convert. It's of course another ad will pop up, like I said. More ads. And skip video. Cancel. And then it's converting 78%, 88, and it's done. Let's see if it works. So you play it, and that's it.